Linking your bank account to Sezzle allows you to make purchases and manage payments more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Create or log into your Sezzle account. Visit the Sezzle website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you renew, create an account by providing the required information. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the payment settings, find the option to link a bank account. Click on this option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may need to verify the link through a small deposit made by Sezzle to your bank account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Sezzle account, allowing for seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, refer to Sezzle's customer support for assistance.